Hello everyone, and welcome to an unboxing of the Dell 2716DGR. This is a 27-inch monitor from Dell, and we can see here 27-inch monitor, and this is the 2716DGR. This is supposed to be like their 2008 model of this monitor. But I think it might be a little bit older than that. But you can see here, this is actually a gaming monitor, and it's supposed to have G-Sync, and not exactly sure what G-Sync is for, but from what I did read about G-Sync is that it's supposed to relieve from a lot of tearing and stuff like that whenever you're playing games. And let's go ahead and get it open. Nice monitor here, 27-inch, and let's go ahead and get this open here as well as here. Uh-oh. Well, that's all right. Oh, there it is, guys. Let's do this way. Let's turn this around. Let's lay it down. We should be able to get this opened up just like that. There we go. So there it is, guys. That's the that's opening it up here. Some instructions here. This is for both the DG and the DGR. We have the DGR. So let's get rid of that. A whole bunch of stuff in here. This looks like this is probably just the plate for it to sit on. Yep, that's the plate for it to sit on, and see there you got NVIDIA G-Sync, in which we have a NVIDIA GTX 1080 graphics card. So definitely something that should help with any kind of tearing in games and stuff like that whenever we're playing. This is just the I guess the back mount, I guess you should say, where it mounts onto the monitor, mounts here, and then of course you got the base here. We could probably just do this right here, and it'll snap right on in. There we go. I think that's all that's needed. Probably some screws down here. Yeah. So there's a little screw down here. We could go ahead and just kind of do this, I would imagine. Let's just go ahead and screw this in. Alright, there we go. So now, not coming off. Let's set that over here to the side. And inside of here, we also have some cables. This here is our power cable, looks like. Yep, power cable. We also have, this looks like a USB, I'm not sure, I forget what USB this is. It's not USB-C, but yeah, I forget what USB this is. This is going to allow, because on the monitor there's some USB 3.0 ports, and so this would allow for us to connect things via the monitor. And then also inside, some display port adapters, cables. So there we go. Put these cables over here, and of course, with all Dell products, they always still send you a CD. I'm not exactly sure who still uses CDs anymore. I mean, a lot of computers don't even come with CDs, but there's a CD. Let's get to the pretty part. Here it is, guys. 27 inches of greatness. Let's get this thing out of here. There it is. There it is. And so we should easily be able to just go ahead and put that there. We can get some of this stuff out of the way. And there's our plate. And it seems like we might be able to just loop this on here, just like this. That might not work. There it is. So, easily take it on, easily put it on. I'm not exactly sure if it's easy to take off or not. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's easy to take off. So that's good. But we can see here on the back side where it just really kind of easily went on. So that's good as well. There it is, guys. There it is. That's the Dell 27-inch S2716DGR. Let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up.
Okay, so we have everything hooked up now, and what you see here is just basically the 27-inch Dell sitting next to two 24-inch Dells, and I was using the 24-inch Dells as the main gaming monitor before, and now I'm just using now I'm just going to use this 27-inch, which is going to hopefully make things look a lot better and also be a larger screen. So we're playing some No Man's Sky, and just going to go around here. I mean, everything looks really good. Don't really see too much happening as far as like tearing and whatnot. I mean, I wasn't really receiving a lot of tearing before, but it's always nice to do upgrades and things like this. But this is definitely I definitely believe that this is an upgrade, and this is this looks really good. Let's go ahead and land back here real quick. If I could do this. There we go. All right, so that's how it looks. That's how the monitor looks externally, and then internally, if we want to take a look at that. Now, internally, this is how it's going to look, and we can do the same thing. We can just go ahead and take off here, and we can fly around. This is a beautiful looking game, by the way. Beautiful looking game. We can take off, and we're basically doing this at we're doing this at 1920 by 1080. We could definitely increase. We can definitely increase the resolution if we really wanted to. But this is good. This is good. 1920 by 1080 looks absolutely wonderful. So that's going to be it with the Dell 27-inch S2716DGR. Great monitor, you guys, and hopefully you guys like the video. If you really like the video, though, make sure that you give a thumbs up, and also if you like, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Definitely be appreciated. And you guys have a great, wonderful day. Bye.